And Nguyễn Huệ was a national hero who devoted his life to fighting for his country from the time of the Tai Sơn uprising until his death, mourned by the entire nation. At that time, the Nguyen lords ruled the south, and the Trinh lords held power in the north, overshadowing the Lê dynasty. Nguyễn Huệ, along with his two brothers Nguyễn Nhạc and Nguyễn Lu, rose up against them. Gifted in military strategy, Nguyễn Huệ led 4 campaigns into Gia Dinh against the Nguyen lords, winning each time. When the Nguyen lords sought help from Siam, Thailand, Nguyễn Huệ defeated the Siamese army decisively at the Battle of Rush Gam, Suai Mut in present-day Mai Tho. He then marched north, overthrew the Trinh lords, and pledged allegiance to the Lê king. His brother Nguyễn Nhạc granted him the title Bác Bình Vương, King of the North. Later, under King Lê Chiêu Tong, who opposed the Tai Sơn, the Lê court sought aid from the Qing dynasty in China. The Qing emperor sent General Tonsing Ghi with 200,000 troops to invade Vietnam. Facing this threat, Bác Bình Vương ascended the throne, taking the name Emperor Quang Trung. He launched a lightning-fast campaign to the north and crushed the Qing army. General Sam Nghi Dong of the Qing committed suicide at Dong Da. Tonsing Ghi fled in panic back to China, leaving countless Qing soldiers dead. Emperor Quang Trung was a military genius. After his victory, he reorganized governance, diplomacy, and education, elevating Vietnam to a position of strength at the end of the 18th century. Sadly, he died in 1792 at the age of 40, having ruled for only 2 years,